30,000 करोड़ रुपए आपकी जेब से निकालकर उसकी जेब में।
ಸುಮಾರು 8,000 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನ 15,000 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೇಬಿನಿಂದ ಹಣ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ದೇಶ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪರಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
मेहुल चोकसी
ಮೆಹುಲ್ ಚೋಕ್ಸಿ ಅವರು ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಂತರ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಈ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ललित मोदी
ಲಲಿತ್ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರು ದೇಶದ ಹಣವನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಪರಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
अच्छा, एक छोटा सा सवाल, इन सब के नाम, इन सब चोरों के नाम मोदी 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 कैसे हैं?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ನನ್ನ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಳ್ಳರ ಹೆಸರು ಕೂಡ ಮೋದಿ 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 ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
नीरव मोदी, ललित मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, और अभी थोड़ा ढूंढेंगे तो और बहुत सारे मोदी निकलेंगे.
As per the video that we have seen just now, in a public meeting which was held in the year 2019, Rahul Gandhi stated that Nirav Modi stole rupees 35,000 crore out of your pocket and ran away. One small question: how are the names of all these thieves? Modi, 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 Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi, Narendra Modi, and if you search a little more, और बहुत सारे Modi निकलेंगे, means many more Modis will emerge. This is what is the precise defamatory statement that was challenged by Purnesh Modi in Surat court in Gujarat. According to a magistrate court, Rahul Gandhi insulted all persons with the surname Modi and convicted him and sentenced him to 2 years imprisonment in a criminal defamation case. This case happened to be between Purnesh Modi versus Rahul Gandhi. The land judge said that since Gandhi is a member of parliament, whatever he says will have a greater impact. Thus, he should have exercised restraint. According to the court verdict, the accused had taken the reference of the surname of the current Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi, to satisfy his political greed and insulted and defamed 13 crore people living in the whole of India having the surname Modi, the judge held. The court, in its 168-page judgment in Gujarati, further stated that though Gandhi has contended that he did not intend to humiliate people with the surname Modi, he failed to adduce evidence to show any change in his conduct. Further, the excerpts from the judgment shows that the accused himself is an MP, and the matter of him addressing the people as an MP is a very serious issue, because when an MP addresses the public in the capacity of a parliamentarian, it has very wide impact on the public. The seriousness of the crime is greater if the accused is an MP, and if the accused is punished less, it sends a wrong message to the society. This is what the order states. According to the judge, the case pertains to Gandhi's controversial speech delivered in Kolar during the 2019 political campaign, wherein he had linked Prime Minister Narendra Modi with fugitives like Nirav Modi and Lalit Modi. Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi, Narendra Modi. How come all the thieves have Modi as a common surname? Purnesh Modi, a former BJP member of Legislative Assembly, took exception to the said speech, claiming that Gandhi humiliated and defamed persons with Modi surname. In the judgment, the land judge noted that the only defense that Gandhi made was that he never intended to hurt people with the surname Modi, and that the electronic evidence placed before the court was tampered with. The court, however, noted that the present complaint was filed due to personal, physical, mental, and social trauma suffered by the complainant owing to the defamatory words used by Gandhi. Through his speech, people with Modi surname were defamed and looked down upon in society. That's what the court has opined. The court noted that the controversial statements made by Gandhi was proved beyond reasonable doubt not only by electronic evidence but also by the statement of witnesses who were all present at the rally. The present complaint has not been filed on the grounds of public defamation, but the present complaint was filed on account of the pain caused to the complainant himself. These are all the fine excerpts taken from the long judgment delivered by the land judge of Surat Magistrate Court. Primarily, the magistrate has taken cognizance of the case and convicted and sentenced Rahul Gandhi on the premise that the defamatory words used in common for Modi's has hurt, defamed, and caused insult to individuals, whoever has been holding the surname of Modi. So, this is what the crux of the whole case it is. Now, considering the Indian conditions, where we see right from Kanyakumari to Kashmir and right from northeastern states to the Gujarat borders, every person, every other day does make a libelous or slanderous statement, and it's a regular routine here. So, applying a law discriminately on one person for banishing him from his career is slightly an unjust act. Other than that, what we should see is in the past, in the case of Ram Jatmalani versus Subramanya Swamy and Jayalalitha versus Subramanya Swamy, how the cases were dealt, if they were taken as precedent and if a penalty is imposed on Rahul Gandhi, that act might have been the right way to caution Rahul Gandhi and to put him in a right perspective going forward, rather than banishing him from politics for about 8 years through this order and through conviction and through sentencing. This is my personal opinion, looking at the Indian precedents, looking at the foreign precedents, and looking at the local conditions, and looking at the kind of punishments that have been awarded in the past in similar cases. Because in our country, if we go to plug a person strictly according to law, I think majority of the political class will come under section 499 and 500, and they all may have to face the same kind of music going forward. So this judgment from one side is a wake-up call to all those offenders whoever have been using the libelous, slanderous statements day in and day out. And also this judgment, apart from being a wake-up call, also in a democratic country like India, may give rise to a one-off exceptional judgment with reference to one particular person if similar judgments are not delivered in the case of others. So there also we run into the risk of what you call discriminatory. Hope the information is useful. Thank you very much for your patient hearing.